Hello guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can get GPT in Excel. Alright, so our first thing to do is to open up Excel, of course. Alright, let's wait for that. And now that we have Excel opened, what you need to do is head over and start a blank workbook, and you'll be sent here. And the next is you head over to Insert. Above here, you click on Insert and then Get Add-ins. And yeah, you make sure that you click on Store. If you're in here, then you go Store. Then that's you'll find other amazing add-ins for Excel. And at this juncture, we need to search up GPT for Excel. And in here, no, not this one. This one, GPT for Excel. This is what we need. So all you need to do is click on Add and continue. As you can see, a new tool has appeared here on the very right side of the screen, and there you go. GPT for Excel is now on your Excel. And there's some stuff that you can do, but only limited for me because it is free trial. But that is how you get GPT for Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you a lot. This was Generation Unravel, giving you answers to your much needed questions. Bye bye!